on decimal representation of rational number. Any rational number can be represented in the decimal form, and decimal form will be in two types. Number one, terminating. It can be terminating or non-terminating. But how it be terminated? So when the remainder of rational numbers, when divide numerator by denominator, and numerator will be, when numerator divided by the denominator, then you get similarly put decimal and take 0, 4 to the 8, 2, take another 0, 4, 5 is 20. So similarly the remainder will be 0. In that case, when remainder is 0, then a rational number is called terminating. In the second part, if denominator is not 0, then it will give two types of conditions. It will be terminating and repeating, or it will be non-terminating, non-repeating. So let us discuss on non-terminating repeating number. Let's take 2 by 3 an example and divide 2 by 3, 3.20, 3 6 18, remainder 2, again 20, 3 6 18, again 2 remainder, 20, 3 6 18, and in each case remainder will be 2, 2, 2 and so on. Every time we get quotient as a quotient 0.66666 and so on, and we can write it 0.67 nearest two places, and in this case we have written 0.66 bar, 6 bar only. One number is repeat 666, every time 6 repeat, so we take bar on the one digit 0.6. Take another example 1/7 and try to divide it. Put decimal here and 0, 7 1 is 7, remainder 3, another 0, 7 4 is 28, get 2, remainder 0, 7 2 is 14, 6 60, 7 8 is 56, get 4, 40, 7 5 is 35, 5 remainder, and 50, 7 7 is 49, get remainder 1. Remainder, in this case you have remainder 1, and this is this repeat. Repeat again, we start from 1 and get remainder is 1. So in that case 1, 4, 2, 8, 5 and 7, after 6 place it will repeat again, and this process will be continued in the infinite times. So you have write 1/7 as the form of decimal representation 1, 4, 2, 8, 5, 7 and taken bar on the 6th digit. So you can say that when we divide 1 by 7, then it will repeat after 6 digit. Topic is how we convert decimal number in form of P upon Q. I have write some rational numbers in the form of decimal. So how we write decimal number in P by Q? Let's take first 0.175. This number is terminating number because it has no numbers and no sign, no dot after 5. So that remove decimal 1, 2, 3 takes 3 zeros in the denominator and write 1. Now this number will be 175 upon 1000. Divide it by 25. Divide by 25, getting simplest form. So 17 9 jar, 17 7 jar, 175 upon 17 25 4 jar 100 and 1 0. So 7 upon 40 is in the form of P upon Q. 7P and 40 is the Q. Q is not equal to 0, 40 is not equal to 0, so that it is also RS number in the form of P upon Q. In that case, we solve this number in this form when the decimal number is in terminating form. But if it is in the form of repeating, for example 0.5 bar. Bar on the one digit, let's assume it. Let P upon Q is equal to 0.5 bar is equal to 0.555 and so on. Take an equation 1. Now the digit repeating after one digit, so multiply both sides by 10. So 10 P upon Q is equal to 0.5555 multiply by 10. It will gives 5.5555 and so on. And let's this equation by 2. This equation 2. Now in this case, the right hand side will be equal in the first and second equation. So we subtract equation 1 from equation 2. 10 P upon Q and P upon Q. So P upon Q is the same number. So take common. And so 10 minus 1 P upon Q common is equal to 5.5555 minus 0.555 and so on. So you get 5.0. And in this case 9 P upon Q, so P upon Q is equal to 5 upon 9. 0.5 bar is equal to in the form of P upon Q, and we write it as 5 upon 9. So now 0.46 having 2 digit repeating, and in this case 0.792 having 3 digit, and all the digit repeat in both the cases. So according first question we multiply it by 10, and in this case when we solve it, take in the P by Q form and then multiply both sides by 100, and in this number 792 converting by the P by Q form, then multiply this number in both sides by the 1000 number. Let's take another example, 578. After decimal one number is not repeat, but after second digit, second, third and fourth last 3 digit repeating. So that is the different case from the other examples. So let us take how we solve it. And let P upon Q is equal to 0.3578, and 578 is repeated. So right here 578 again 578 more time, and this equation will be 1. Now first number 3 is alone. This is not repeating, so that multiply by 10 we get 3 in the left form before decimal. So multiply it by 10 in both sides. 10 P upon Q is equal to 0.3578578 multiply by 10, you get 3.578578578 and so on. This is the second equation. Now the digit is repeating 3 times. 3 place or 3 digit repeat every time, so that multiply this number, this equation by 1000. Again multiply, again by 1000 in both sides. What we get? 10 multiply 1000 P upon Q is equal to 3.578578578 into 1000. We have seen that when multiplied by 1000, then 3 digit will be comes before decimal. So your answer will be 3578578 and this equation is the third equation. Now you have seen that in equation 2 and 3 the decimal number after decimal are same, so you have subtract equation third and second. So subtracting equation 2 from third, तो यहाँ पर हो जाएगा आपका 10,000 माइनस सेकेंड इक्वेशन 10 P upon Q is equal to 3,578.578 minus 3.578. When 10,000, 10 subtract from 10,000, you get 9,990. P upon Q is equal to 3578 subtract 578.578 will be 0 after subtracting both. You will get P upon Q is equal to 3575 upon 9990, and in this number last digit is 5 and here is 0, so it will divide by 5, brings it in the lowest form. 5 7 is 35, 5 1 is 5, 5 5 is 25, and then 5 1 is 5, 4 49, 5 9 is 45, 4 49, 5 9 is 45, and 50. 45, 4 and 5 8 is 40. So 715 upon 1998. This is the required form of 0.3578 bar.